And again, they're not working at their full potential because they're all mixed and matched. So, I mean, they work. Just know and understand that they're only going to work as good as the smallest battery that you have there. And by having the reserve, allows me to do what I have to do. If I just ran a solar panel in with an inverter, I'm screwed. Now I can run an inverter off of this as well if I want to, but I really haven't got a need to. I mean, I have an inverter up there, 1250 watts. Now again, that's always surge. You want the continuous duty. You want, because that's a lower number. When you buy anything, a power supply, a generator, the number that they show you is usually the surge. You want to know what the continuous power rating is. What is it going to do while it's just running? Not when you just start it up in the surges. So the same thing with power inverters. Whatever it says, that's going to be the highest number, the surge, when you first turn it on. Or if something turns on and grabs a surge real quick, it'll handle that quick surge. But it's not going to continuously run at that power. You'll burn it up. And you'll burn up whatever it is that's running on it. Because if whatever it is running on it doesn't get the amps that it needs, it's going to blow up. For example, the wife and I lived on a boat for 4 years. We had two 30 amp services. Our ice makers and refrigerator and air conditioners ran on one, and the boat, the charger, and well, a couple of the air conditioners ran on the other one. There was 3 air conditioners and heaters in there. Well, the owner of the marina was supposed to hook up a power station for the boat, you know, a little tower that you plug into. And until he did that, what he did was he ran two 150-foot 30 amp cords. Those yellow cords, they're 30 amps a piece. Oh, here's one here. He ran two of these 150 feet long each. Well, I was seeing 117 volts on my system. However, I blew an ice maker because I wasn't getting the amperage with it, because the wire was too long and not heavy enough. So the amperage is just as important, if not more so, than the actual voltage at times. So you want to make sure you have the amperage. That's why you want to run, you know, the longer the wire, the heavier. Now there's apps out there that'll tell you that, you know, what to use, what not to use. And I always jump it up a little more. I always overboard it because I never know if I want to add to it. And if I want to add to it, I don't want to have to change it. So, now I know I probably confused you with all this because there's no set way to really do it. I tried to do it from out there in, bringing you over to here, and then so on. But at that point, that's where we're at. And again, it's been working for me for many years. However, I am going to buy, now I don't know if I want to buy 4 Group 31s or 6. Only because I kind of like even numbers. So, but 4 Group 31s, well, even 3 Group 31s would do more than what I got going here. But I'll probably just buy 4. So, and the charger, like I said, it does its thing on time. 2 amps, trickle charges the batteries twice a day for 15 minutes. And I don't remember the times. I want to say like 9 o'clock at night. And I don't know, 2, 3, 4 in the morning. Again, I really don't remember. You know, and I don't feel like looking at it. But that's how that works. So, but it's been working for me. I haven't had any problems with it. Now, I also have a wind turbine out there. But it's not windy. It's not blowing out there right now. And it does get windy in the wintertime. It's great in the wintertime. But when that happens, well, you'll see this. This is giving 12 7. Now, that's what's coming into the battery and charging. But what do I actually have? 13.6. Okay? So I'm getting 13.6 out of the battery right now. And it's charging at about 12.7. Now that'll drop a little bit over time. Now if I come over here, now that's 13.6. That's closer to the batteries because the wire goes from there to there. Now if I take that wire that comes over to here, all the way across the ceiling and down, what do I have over here? 12.6. Eh? I lost a volt over about 18 feet of wire. Well, maybe a little bit more. See what I mean? So the heavy. Now, if I gave that wire down to maybe a 2 gauge, that would come right up. So you do have line loss. So, all right. Anyway, that's kind of it. I mean, if you feel you want to come down here and kind of look at it someday, that's fine. I don't mind. But you know, I kind of give you an idea what's what. But the coffee pot's always on. We got 3 dogs. We did have 5. We had to put 2 down this year due to cancer. But the 3 of them are fine. We just can't go in the house. They won't let you in the house. As friendly as they will be out here, if you try to head towards the porch, they will bite your ass. And they don't like to listen when I try to stop them. The only way they'll possibly stop is if I can get you turned around and start getting you away from the door. So, no, I can stop them if I had to, but by then it'll be too late. And I don't want to get into all that. But meanwhile, you're welcome to come down. I got a coffee pot here, got everything we need out here. Come on down, have coffee, and see what I got. Write it down. Do whatever it is you feel you need to do. That's if this doesn't help you. All right, catch you later. I think I confused you enough.